Dobar den. Dear friends, time and again you have shown the courage to forge your own path towards independence, peace and security. The historic agreement on the name issue unlocks the possibility of full membership of the international community, including full membership of NATO. NATO membership will give you and your children the security that comes with being part of the world's most successful alliance. And it will give your country an equal voice in our discussions and an equal say in our decisions. It is now time to make your voices heard. This is once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. NATO's door is open, but only the people of your country can decide to walk through it. So your future is in your hands. We wait for you in NATO. Ve čekame vo NATO, vi blagodaram.